Have you ever wondered how much you truly know about our home planet, the Earth? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a fascinating journey into the realm of the known and unknown about this big blue marble we call home. Let's start with some basic facts. The Earth, third planet from the Sun, is the only known celestial body to harbor life. With a diameter of roughly 7,918 miles, it's just the right size to sustain a breathable atmosphere and a magnetic field to shield us from harmful solar radiation. But here's where things start getting interesting. You've probably been taught since grade school that the Earth is a perfect sphere. Well, it's time to debunk that little myth. Our planet is actually an oblate spheroid, not a perfect sphere. Now, don't let that fancy term scare you off. All it means is that the Earth is slightly flattened at the poles and a bit swollen at the equator. Why, you ask? It's all thanks to our planet's rotation. As Earth spins on its axis, the centrifugal force pushes outwards at the equator. This outward push is stronger than the gravitational pull inwards, causing the Earth to bulge out a bit. The result is a planet that's about 27 miles wider at the equator than at the poles. So, next time you're looking at a globe, remember that it's a simplification. The real Earth is a bit more, well, pear-shaped. It's these unique quirks that make our planet not just a home, but a fascinating subject of study. Our humble abode is full of surprises, each one more intriguing than the last. So, stay tuned as we continue to delve into the mysteries of our planet, one fact at a time. Bet you didn't think our home planet had a bit of a bulge, did you? So, what's next on our journey? You'll have to stick around to find out. Now, we all know about the vast oceans covering 71% of our planet's surface, but did you know there's another ocean hiding beneath us? That's right, folks. Beneath our feet, deep within the Earth's mantle, lies a hidden ocean. An ocean that's not filled with your typical salt water, but with a peculiar mineral called ringwoodite. Now let's dive a little deeper into this, shall we? Ringwoodite is a high-pressure phase of olivine, a mineral you typically find in the Earth's upper mantle. This mineral has an extraordinary ability to absorb water, much like a sponge. Now imagine a sponge so big it could soak up 3 times the amount of all the Earth's surface oceans combined. That's a whole lot of water. The existence of this hidden ocean was confirmed by scientists back in 2014. They discovered a rare diamond that had surfaced from the deep Earth, and trapped inside was a tiny piece of ringwoodite. This little gem was the smoking gun evidence that there was indeed water stored in the Earth's mantle. How did all this water get down there, you ask? Well, it's all thanks to the process of subduction. This is where tectonic plates on the Earth's surface plunge into the mantle, carrying water with them. Over millions of years, this water has been absorbed by ringwoodite, creating our hidden ocean. But don't go packing your scuba gear just yet. This ocean is buried about 400 miles beneath our feet, and the pressure down there is so intense, it's enough to squash any human flat. Plus, the temperatures are hotter than the surface of the sun. So it's not exactly an ideal vacation spot. In a way, this hidden ocean is a testament to the wonders of our planet. It reminds us that even with all our scientific advancements, there are still mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Secrets buried deep within the Earth. And you thought the Pacific was vast. Imagine an ocean 3 times that size. Scene script. Are you feeling dizzy yet? Well, hold on, because you're spinning faster than you think. That's right, folks. Our planet Earth, this seemingly still ground beneath our feet, is in actuality spinning incredibly fast. So, how fast are we talking? Try a whopping 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. That's faster than the speed of a commercial jet plane. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, if we're spinning that fast, why don't I feel like I'm on a never-ending merry-go-round? Excellent question. The reason we don't feel the Earth's speedy rotation is due to 2 main factors: constant speed and gravity. Let's tackle constant speed first. The Earth's rotation is smooth and consistent. There are no sudden accelerations or decelerations, no jerky movements that would cause us to feel the motion. It's like when you're in a car cruising down the highway at a steady speed. Even though you're moving fast, it doesn't feel like it because the speed is constant. Now, on to gravity. Our good friend gravity keeps us grounded. Literally, it's the force that pulls us towards the Earth's center, preventing us from being flung off into space due to the Earth's rotation. Because of gravity, we feel a downward pull, not a sideways push. So, the combination of these 2 factors, constant speed and gravity, results in us not feeling the Earth's rotation. It's a good thing, too, because constantly feeling like we're on a high-speed carousel would be quite nauseating. It's fascinating, isn't it? Our planet is always in motion, spinning around its axis, giving us day and night, and we don't feel a thing. It's one of the remarkable aspects of living on this spinning sphere we call home. So, next time you're feeling still, remember you're actually spinning at 1,000 miles per hour. If you're a fan of bling, you're going to love this next fact. We often think of gold as a precious metal that's hard to come by, but what if I told you that our very own planet is a veritable treasure chest of this glimmering element? That's right. Earth's core is a gold mine, quite literally. Scientists estimate that the Earth's core is packed with a whopping amount of gold. To put this into perspective, if we somehow managed to extract all that gold and spread it evenly across the Earth's surface, we'd have enough to cover the entire globe in a 1.5-foot layer of pure gold. That's not just a thin gold leaf covering, we're talking about a layer that's about knee-deep. Now you might be wondering, why is all this gold tucked away in the Earth's core instead of being distributed throughout the crust where we could easily access it? Well, it all comes down to the formation of our planet. In the early stages of Earth's life, our planet was a hot, molten mass. As it cooled down, heavier elements like gold and iron sank towards the core, while lighter elements rose to the surface. This process, known as differentiation, is why most of the gold is locked away deep in the Earth's core. Of course, we can't just drill down to the core and start extracting gold. The core is over 3,000 kilometers beneath the surface, and the pressure and temperature conditions there are beyond extreme. So, for now, all that gold is out of our reach. But don't be disheartened. There's still plenty of gold closer to the surface for us to find, mine, and turn into beautiful jewelry and valuable currency. We've only mined about 3 parts per billion of the Earth's upper crust, so there's still a lot left to discover. This just goes to show, our planet isn't just a stunning spectacle of nature, it's also a treasure trove of riches waiting to be explored. Who needs a gold mine when you're living on one? Before we wrap up, let's talk about Earth's age. Any guesses? Now this might leave you scratching your heads. How do we even begin to calculate something so immense? Well, scientists have used a method called radiometric age dating, using meteorite material and Earth rocks as their guide. And the number they've come up with is, brace yourselves, approximately 4.54 billion years. That's right, our Earth has been hanging around in space, doing its thing for over 4 billion years. Now that's quite a birthday cake, think about it. This means that our home planet has witnessed the dawn of life, the reign of dinosaurs, the rise and fall of countless civilizations, and the birth of the digital age. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? And throughout its journey, Earth has been a silent spectator, nurturing life and providing us with a home, a habitat that is as diverse as it is beautiful. But let's take a moment to recap some of the surprising facts we've learned today. We've delved into the mysteries of our planet, from the hidden oceans deep beneath the Earth's crust to its speedy rotation that gives us our day and night. We've marveled at the incredible amount of gold content within the Earth, enough to cover its entire surface in a layer over a foot deep. And now, we've discovered just how old our planet really is. Each of these facts is a testament to the wonder that is our Earth, a place of mystery and marvel, a place that continues to surprise us even after billions of years. So next time you think you know everything about the Earth, remember, our home planet is full of surprises, and that's the beauty of it. It keeps us guessing, keeps us exploring, and most importantly, it keeps us humble. Because no matter how much we think we know, there's always more to discover.